I'm going to be working on problem 12 from module 13, and this is the graph we're given right away, which we base everything off of to see how it changes due to these functions that we are given. So we can start from the top and see that we have f of x minus 2, and this is in parentheses here, which is going to cause our graph to move over to the right 2. So we'll take this same graph and just move it over, and then we'll look for the function that matches, which we can see is f. So this first one is f, and then we can cross this out. Alright, so then we have f of 1/2 of x, and what this 1/2 is going to do is it's going to cause our graph to stretch out and grow at a lot slower of a rate. And we can see that we have d right here that is very stretched out and is growing. So then we will use, this one is d, and then we can cross this out as well. And then moving on, we have negative f of x plus 3. And we can stop at this negative here and know that this is going to cause our graph to flip over the x-axis. And it's also going to move up 3 points. So we'll take it from here. We'll go 1, 2, 3. So it's going to stop about there and be flipped over, which we can see is exactly what E does. So this one is E. And we can cross that one out as well. And then the next one we have is f of 2x, and this 2 is going to do the exact opposite thing that the 1/2 did, and it's going to cause our graph to compress and to grow at a lot steeper and faster rate, which we can see is what b does. So this one is b. And then we have 1/2 of f of x minus 1, and this 1/2 is going to cause this original graph to stretch out as much as it can. And also this minus 1 is going to cause our graph to move over. So we can see that that is exactly what C does. So this one's C. And then our last one is f of negative x, and we also use these two, so we can tell that it's already A. But what this negative x does is it will flip our graph over the y-axis to the other side, and that is exactly what A does. So now I've matched up all of the graphs, and that is exactly what these functions do to this graph.